Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's look into the heat production. So heat production in case of muscle. So the first one is we look at the resting heat. That is the heat given off at rest due to the basal metabolic processes. So this is due to the involvement of the basal metabolic processes. So here, what about the isotonic contraction and the isometric contraction? So both contractions are positive. Then when you look at the initial heat is a heat produced in excess of the resting heat during contraction. So heat produced in excess during the contraction, whereas the resting heat is due to the metabolic basal process, and here it is the resting heat during the contraction. So both these places, the isotonic and isometric contraction is positive. Now let's look at what is known as the recovery heat. The recovery heat, the heat liberated by the metabolic process that restores the muscle. That is the metabolic process. It restores the muscle to its pre-concentration state, and approximately it is equal to the initial heat. It is equal to the initial heat. So both these places are positive. Isotonic contraction positive, isometric contraction is also positive. Next is something known as a relaxation. The relaxation heat. So relaxation heat is a heat liberated by the muscle to restore its previous length. So restore previous length. So here is a difference, that is, it is isotonic contraction, yes, it is positive, whereas the isometric contraction is going to be negative. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.